In a world that never stops moving, there are those who keep the wheels turning. In 1965, an Indianapolis man named Eldon Palmer set out to do his part to help those people on the road to success. That's when Palmer Trucks was born, one of the region's leading partners for trusted transportation solutions. At Palmer Trucks, we are a family-owned business with more than 700 employees that believes in building quality relationships. Headquartered at the crossroads of America, we make it a mission to go the extra mile, serving all who enter our doors with honesty, dignity, and respect. The Palmer team works with industry-leading OEM partner Kenworth Truck Company to provide equipment and support to maximize uptime and value. From financing options to a factory-trained service team, from a world-class parts distribution network to in-house work truck upfit services, to a rental and leasing fleet, more than 800 trucks strong, we've got your back. Our story is one of passion and dedication. For nearly 6 decades, Palmer Trucks has been a critical partner of the regional trucking industry, setting the standard for excellence. Together, we can achieve greatness. So join us on this journey. Experience the Palmer Trucks difference and let us keep moving the industry forward by moving you. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We are Palmer Trucks, keeping people like you on the road since 1965.